Have you ever wondered about the world's most flamboyant avian charmer? Nestled within the lush rainforests of New Guinea resides a creature of such extraordinary flair, it has aptly been named the superb bird of paradise. This bird, scientifically christened Lophourena superba, is a member of the Paradisidae family and has a tail as colorful as its plumage. Imagine a male bird, cloaked in the purest of blacks, a hue so dark it absorbs almost all light. Adorning its chest, a vibrant green breast shield, shimmering with iridescence. From its back sprout long ornamental feathers, accompanied by a pair of wire-like flank plumes. This, dear listeners, is the male superb bird of paradise, a spectacle of nature's artistry. But what good is such an elaborate ensemble without an audience to appreciate it? The male bird knows this all too well. When a female is nearby, he transforms into a performer, his stage set within the dense foliage. His dance is a spectacle of color and sound. He unfurls his plumage, puffs up his breast shield, and moves rhythmically. The air fills with distinct clicking sounds as he snaps his wings, adding an auditory dimension to his visual symphony. In stark contrast to the male's vibrant attire, the female superb bird of paradise is dressed in a more subdued brown plumage. This camouflage helps her blend seamlessly into her surroundings, providing a safe haven for nesting. Life for the superb bird of paradise unfolds in the dense rainforests of New Guinea. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, insects, and arthropods. They are elusive creatures, often proving a challenge for those who wish to study them in their natural habitat. In terms of conservation, the superb bird of paradise is not currently listed as threatened. However, like many species, it faces the threat of habitat loss due to deforestation. Conservation efforts are primarily focused on preserving their natural habitats to ensure the survival of this spectacular species. Within the genus Lophourena, there are different species, each with unique characteristics. One such species is the Wilson's bird of paradise, sometimes referred to as the little superb bird of paradise, due to its striking appearance. The superb bird of paradise has captivated the scientific community with its intricate courtship rituals, offering valuable insights into the realms of evolutionary biology and behavior. Observing these birds in their natural habitat is a rare and remarkable experience, one that continues to enchant researchers and bird enthusiasts alike. In summary, the superb bird of paradise is a marvel of nature, a testament to the rich tapestry of life that thrives in the world's rainforests. From its radiant plumage to its theatrical courtship display, this bird truly lives up to its name. It is indeed superb.